Best AI marketing tools for small businesses. Marketing a small business has always been a resource problem. Large companies have entire marketing departments, copywriters, designers, media buyers, SEO specialists, social media managers, and even email marketers. Where small businesses have you, maybe one other person, and whatever time is left after you have handled everything else that day. Now, that gap used to be the reason small businesses consistently undermarketed themselves. Not because they did not understand the importance of marketing, but because producing consistent quality marketing across multiple channels requires more time and more skill than most small teams realistically have. Now, AI marketing tools are closing that gap in a meaningful way, not by replacing marketing strategy, that still requires human judgment, but by handling the production side of marketing faster and cheaper than hiring specialists to do it manually. Writing ad copy, designing graphics, scheduling social content, optimizing email campaigns, managing SEO, there are AI tools that handle all of these things. Now, this video is a ranked breakdown of the best AI marketing tools available right now in the market. I'll go through each category of marketing, cover the strongest tools in each, and explain what they do well and where they fall short, and give you a clear recommendation at the end based on your business type and marketing priorities. Now, before we get into specific tools, it is worth setting a frame for how to evaluate them. AI marketing tools fall into two broad categories. The first is content generation. Tools that produce written copy, visual assets, video content, or audio. The second is going to be optimization and automation. Tools that analyze data, automate repetitive tasks, and improve the performance of marketing that you are already running. Both categories are pretty valuable, but they're going to solve different problems. So if your bottleneck is that you're not producing enough marketing content consistently, you need content generation tools. If you're already producing content, but it is not converting or reaching enough people, you need optimizational tools. The other framing point worth making is about integration. The best AI marketing stack for a small business is not necessarily the tools with the most features. It's the tool, that great email tool that doesn't integrate with your CRM, or a great social tool that doesn't pull data from your website automatically. Keep integration in mind as we go through each category. Now, first of all, let's talk about AI writing and copy tools. And for that, we're going to get into our first tool, which is called Jasper AI. Now, written copy is the foundation of almost every marketing channel. Your website, your ads, your emails, everything has ran on this. Now, Jasper is the most widely used AI copywriting tool built specifically for marketing. Unlike general AI assistants, Jasper is trained on marketing frameworks. It understands concepts like AIDA, PAS, and other copywriting structures, and it applies them by default when generating content. It has templates for over 50 content types, including Facebook ads, Google ads, product descriptions, landing page copy, blog posts, and email subject lines. The output quality for short form marketing copy is consistently strong. Jasper also has a brand voice feature where you input samples of your existing content and it learns your brand's tone, so future outputs match your style rather than defaulting to generic marketing language. Now, the main limitation of Jasper is going to be its cost. Plans are going to start at around $39 a month, which puts it at higher end for small business tools. And for business producing a high volume of marketing copy across multiple channels, that cost is easily justified. For a business that only needs occasional copy, it may be more than necessary. Now, for that case, we're going to move over to a software called Copy.ai. Now, Copy.ai is a strong alternative at a lower price point. It has a free tier with limited credits and paid plans starting at $36 a month. Its interface is slightly more beginner-friendly, and it covers most of the same use cases. So for businesses that want AI writing assistance without a dedicated copywriting tool, you could even use Claude or ChatGPT that handle marketing copy pretty well when given specific prompts. Moving over to social media tools, Social media marketing obviously requires consistent output across multiple platforms, each with its own format requirements, optimal posting times, and content styles. So without a system, it becomes one of the most time-consuming parts of small business marketings. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Buffer AI. Now, Buffer, with its AI assistant, is one of the most practical social media tools for small businesses. So what happens is you give it a topic or a URL, a blog post, a product page, a news article, and it generates multiple posts and variations optimized for different platforms. The scheduling feature lets you queue up a full week or month of content in one session, and the analytics dashboard shows you which posts are performing and which aren't. Buffer's free plan supports 3 social channels and 10 scheduled posts, which is enough for a small business just getting started. Hootsuite is also something that you can get into because Hootsuite is the more feature-rich alternative, better suited to businesses managing a larger social presence or multiple brand accounts. Its AI features include content suggestions based on trending topics in your industry, caption generation, and a whole lot more. Then we move over to email marketing. Now, email marketing remains the highest ROI marketing channel for most small businesses, and AI features within email platforms have matured to the point where they deliver genuine value beyond basic automation. Now, for email marketing, I will say that Klaviyo is definitely the best and strongest AI-powered email marketing platform. So, Klaviyo basically has AI features built specifically around purchase behavior. It segments your customer list automatically based on buying patterns, predicts which customers are most likely to purchase again soon, and it identifies customers at risk of churning and recommends the optimal send time for each individual subscriber based on when they have historically opened the emails. Now, these aren't features you have to configure manually. Klaviyo's AI runs in the background and surfaces the insights and recommends everything. And for e-commerce businesses on Shopify and WooCommerce, Klaviyo's deep integration with those platforms means it pulls in real deep purchase data. You could also use MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, or any of these marketing softwares, but I would still say that Klaviyo takes the winner. Now moving over to search engine optimization or SEO. Search engine optimization is getting your business to appear in Google search results when potential customers are looking for what you offer. It is one of the highest value long-term marketing investments a small business can make. AI has significantly changed how SEO tools work, making sophisticated analysis accessible without requiring an SEO specialist. And for all of this, I would say the best would be SEMrush, which is the most comprehensive AI-powered SEO platform available, and it has built AI features into nearly every part of its toolset. You have proper keyword magic tools that clusters all of your needed keywords and a whole lot more. And it works incredibly for audiences as well. It's totally free, and the pricing with the paid plans is not too much for you to look at. So basically, here's a clear practical recommendation based on business type. If you run a product based on e-commerce business, the highest value combination is Klaviyo for email. Okay, so you use Klaviyo for your emailing, Buffer for your social media and meta advantage. If you run a service business, the strongest stack is going to be, something like Klaviyo or ActiveCampaign for email and CRM, Jasper for copy or copywriting and transcripting, and Bright Local if local search is relevant to your market. Now, the tool exists. The gap between a small business that market itself effectively and one that doesn't is no longer about budget or team size. It's about knowing which tools to use and using them consistently. So pick your stack, commit to it for 90 days, and measure what changes. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.